Welcome back to Full Stack Forex, guys. You already know what it is. If you don't know, you better ask somebody. This is day 4 of trading the Nasdaq using the CNBC strategy. So I'm just gonna go to my CNBC app real quick and let's see what's happening. So if you guys have been following, we've been trading the Nasdaq using the CNBC 330 strategy, and yeah, this is the process. This is day 4, and like I said, we're gonna continue trading for 20. We want to go for 30 days. 30 days, 30 trades, and yeah, let's see. Let's see what our average is. Let's see what the results come out to be, and we're gonna analyze that data. We're gonna take the data of all the trades and analyze it and see if the strategy works or how well it works, and can you consistently make money off of it. So here quickly, the change is negativo, as you can see there. Negative. All right, that's good. That means we have a bias towards one direction. So let's see technically what's going on. This is a trend line from a lower time frame. Let's see which time frame this fits on. I don't know when I drew this. Yeah, just delete that. So remember, I don't really like trading when there's no technical setup, right? This strategy goes hand in hand with usually on the M15. I usually trade on the M15. Sometimes we go to H1, but it depends on the day. So today's a Friday. I don't want to be in any long-term trades. Yeah, like I said, this strategy goes hand in hand with technicals. You have to check what's going on technically in the market. You don't want to just trade it without looking at what's going on technically. Because if you were to just trade it without looking at the technicals, you find yourself in trouble. So even now, just because it's negative, look, it's not moving downwards. So you want to do your technical analysis, draw your trend lines, draw your support resistance, check your RSI. Let me check where we at right now. We're at a young. Okay, fine. That's okay. RSI is at like 26, so we could just look here. We're at like 25, 24, 26. Yeah, 24-ish. So it is, yeah, in the buy region. RSI is more in the buy region, but that's fine. We won't take that into account for now. We should be going down. But the only reason, I know that we're already in a downtrend, and we're probably going to see a continuation. We're in a downtrend. We're going to see a continuation. You know, we can enter this just because we're below the moving average and go via the moving average. So I'm just going to enter sell. And I'll tell you why. So I said here, just going off of the moving average. So I know price is below the moving, and we let it go. Yeah, below the moving average. So because I'm using the moving average, I'm going to set my stop loss here above this scale. Let's say above. No, let's find a good area that we can use. Let's see what's that's looking like up there. That's 12.8. Oh, that's too far. 12.8. That would have been somewhere there. No, that's too high. I'm gonna go above the moving average somewhere here at 12.746. I'm gonna put it at 20. 12.74620. 12.74620.20. There we go. And we're just gonna watch it from here and just continuously pay attention to our NAS 100 movers. So again, guys, we're trading this strategy for 30 days. The goal is to take 30 trades and analyze how successful we were in 30 days, and then looking at the data, see how much you guys could maybe make if you followed the same procedure on your accounts. And let's see, just from a probability, statistical analysis, and everything, just see how much could possibly be made. Remember, past, oh, this is going down. Yeah, just from probability and statistical um, perspective, just to see what are the chances of doing that. But also remember, past results do not guarantee future results, right? So we're going to do this with a bunch of strategies. I think every strategy that we come across, we're going to go 30 days with it and analyze the data. And again, this is full stack forex, so eventually we are going to go into, I'm already in the works. I'm just preparing the expert advisors so that we can test them. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go 30 days with our expert advisors. We're going to back test them, and then we're going to forward test them in the market. So now we're testing this strategy. And as we move forward, after analyzing the data, we're going to go through and see how can we automate this? How can we maybe write a script, write an expert advisor that will be able to trade the strategy for us. Obviously, because we're trading 1 hour in the day, we're going to need an expert advisor that's only going to trade 1 hour in the day and make bank for us. So let's see. So right now the change is currently negative. Oh, look, I just opened that. It's negative. All I'm seeing is negatives. I opened this by mistake. So yep, negative 51 on Tesla, negative 37 on Amazon. Yes, and remember our Nasdaq 100 movers. These are our movers, but the main ones we want to focus on are Tesla and Amazon. So both of them are red, and everything else is red. We're going down. The market is going down. Volume is negative. So now we go back to our charts and just see what's happening there. Are we getting confirmation of this? So you must remember, you have to leave room, because the market could also just play around depending on which broker you're using. The market could play around as well, go up and down. Things could get choppy. And again, remember, today is a Friday, right? So it's not one of our high volatility days. So that's why the market is going to be a bit slow. We just want to get in, get our money, get out. We don't want to spend too much time in here. Yeah, so let's just let this thing load, and then we'll see what happens here. We will see what exactly will happen, and I'm still confident. And then we're gonna set our, no, we can lower our stop loss actually. No, but that's fine. That's well above and then well below. And then let's see, got rid of this. Why is this back? So let me just delete this trend line and delete this one. This is probably an older one. And we can delete that. And let's see, we're gonna go a bit higher for my stop loss so I can have a better view. So remember, oh, look at this. Previous resistance. Now we're going to see if it's going to be a support or if we're going to break through. If we break through, I'm expecting us to at least come into this region here or lower. So I'm going to play it all right and say, let's go 12, 5, 3, 530. So 12, 530.20, and let's go. Trade is locked in. I'm actually gonna tighten my stop loss a little bit because it's a low volatility day. Let's go 5.70. Gonna tighten my stop loss actually, so we have a better. There we go. Locked and loaded, just off of the eye test, just by looking at this. That's about a solid, yeah, it could be another 2% to 2.5% risk reward ratio. So 2 against 2.25 risk reward ratio. Not the best, but we're getting there, guys. Remember, we're all about we iterate. We're all about iterating and continuously we start off, just start, right? And then we continue to optimize.